Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening your project and getting the clip into the timeline so you can act immediately. Once your media is on the timeline, move to the color page. This is where Resolve handles pixel level changes. Make sure you have the clip selected, then create a new node with Alt+S or the node menu. This isolates the inversion so other grades stay intact. The reason: working on a dedicated node keeps changes non-destructive and reversible, which you want for quick comparisons. Once the node is ready, you invert colors using a stable method. Add the Invert Open FX if available, or use the RGB mixer by setting output channels to inverted inputs, or flip via curves by inverting the curve diagonally. Apply the effect on that node only, and then toggle the node on and off to compare. Make sure to position the inversion node before any sharpening or noise reduction to avoid amplifying artifacts. This sequence preserves final image quality and keeps corrections predictable. To finish, render a short test segment and inspect it in your target color space so you know how inversion behaves on different displays. If inversion distorts skin tones or key elements, add a qualifier or layer mask. This limits inversion only to selected luminance or chroma ranges so important details remain natural. Once done, save a still for comparison and create a version node with and without inversion. Troubleshooting tip: if colors clip, reduce saturation slightly or apply.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.